Welcome again to our Kikuyu lesson. With you here is your teacher, Wanjiko Wamaitha. So today we're going to look at members of a family. Members of a family in Kikuyu, we say Ado Amushi. Ado Amushi. So we're going to start with the nuclear family. Members of a nuclear family. So number one, we have the father. We have father. In Kikuyu, we call him Fafa. 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 Number two, we have mother. In Kikuyu, we call her Maitu. 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 Or else, you can call her Mami. 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 The third person you're going to look at is brother. Brother. In Kikuyu, a brother is called Moro wa Maitu. Moro wa Maitu. Moro wa Maitu. Moro wa Maitu. Meaning the son of my mother. Next, we have sister. In Kikuyu, a sister is called Mware wa Maitu. Mware wa Maitu. Mware means daughter. Maitu we have said earlier. We said earlier it's mother. So meaning it's a daughter of my mother. My mom's daughter. Mware wa Maitu. That's a sister. In case you're married or you come from a family where your dad or the father has more than one wife, we have what we call a half brother. Half brother is the son of your father. Your brothers from the same father. So in Kikuyu we say Moro wa Fafa. Moro wa Fafa. Moro means son. Fafa, father. So it's a son. My father's son. Half brother. Then in case the father has a daughter, that daughter is your half sister. She's your sister, so half sister. In Kikuyu we say Mware wa Fafa. Mware wa Fafa. Mware wa Fafa. Mware means daughter. So my father's daughter. We move on. We go to the extended family. We look at some of the names of the members of the extended family. We have the first one, grandfather. Grandfather. In English, in Kikuyu, a grandfather, we call him Guka. 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 This name, Guka, mostly it is used in Murang'a and Kiambu. Kikuyu for Murang'a and Kiambu, they call their grandfather Guka. When we go to Nyeri, they'll call their grandfather Wagui. 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 Though the word Guka is more acceptable because it is widely used more than Wagui. Wagui. So the two of them are correct. If in case you go to Nyeri and you have forgotten this one, you can always use Guka because they will always know what you're talking about because they also use it. Then we have grandmother. Grandmother in Kikuyu we say so. Some will pronounce it as sho. So the spellings are the same. So we call her so. Number 4, we have aunt. An aunt, you call her tata. So and this aunt means your mother's or your father's sister. Your mother's or your father's sister, they have a common name. You only call the two or both, you call them tata. Then when you come to the uncles from the mother's side, so when you come to the uncles now, here there's a difference. From the mother's side, the uncles, you're going to call an uncle from your mother's side mama, 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 mama. That's an uncle from the mother's side. From the father's side, we don't call them mama. So this one, because that is your father's side, you're going to refer to them also as your father, but you're going to give them names according to how old they are. That is their position in the family. For example, if it is your father's younger brother, you'll call him Fafa Munini. Fafa Munini. So Fafa is the dad, then Munini means younger. So your father's younger brother will be Fafa Munini. Fafa Munini. When you come to your father's elder brother, you'll call him Fafa Mukuru. Fafa Mukuru. He's your dad, but he's older than your dad. So Fafa Mukuru. Fafa Mukuru. This word shows a lot of respect when you're using them to refer to your uncles from your father's side. From there we have our cousins. A cousin, if it's a he, you'll call him Moro Watata. Moro Watata. Moro means son. Tata we said is an aunt. So it's the son of my aunt. So if I have a cousin who is a female, you will call her Mware Watata. Mware Watata. That is maybe this cousin of yours is maybe a daughter of your aunt. You'll call her Mware Watata. A daughter of your uncle or your father's younger brother, the uncles of both sides, a cousin, you'll call him, if it's a he, you'll call him Moro wa Mama. Moro wa Mama. If it's a daughter, you'll call her Mware wa Mama. Mware wa Mama. So we have said that, then I have a note here. All your father's brother's wife, they are addressed as mothers. All your father's brothers, they are addressed as mother. For example, here we say that your father's younger brother is called Fafa Munini. Now, if he has a wife, you are going to call the wife of your father's younger brother as Mami Munini. So you just replace the word Fafa with Mami to means mother. So you're going to call her Mami Munini. If it is your father's older brother's wife, you will not call her aunt, you're going to call her Mami Mukuru. Mami Mukuru. Because she belongs to your father's elder brother. So you're also going to call her Martha, but you give her that, you have that hierarchy when you are giving names in a family, that is according to the Kikuyu. Now, we have come to the elder one lesson today. I hope you have learned and you have understood the members of our family. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together. For now, it's a bye-bye. Till we meet again in our next lesson.